Hey guys, this is Shara, and today we're doing scooby-doo. So today, this was a request from Jayla from Texas, and she requested Scooby-Doo. So we're gonna get started. So I had to think about how I'm gonna teach this. We're gonna start with the eyes. So they look like eggs. You want the upper part in the middle. You want to draw an egg. Right, like that. And inside the egg, you're doing his eye. Give it the shiny. And this is the pupil, which we're gonna Sharpie in, okay? Super job. So when you guys do the Sharpie, do you guys see how I made this thicker on the top? So when we do Sharpie it, we want it thicker up there. Give that cartoon look. Right above it, this is his lid line right there. Bloop. Okay, so what you guys are gonna do now, I want you guys to make a line right here so we know where that next eye is gonna be. Okay, so make a line across, and then on top of that line, you want another oval, and another oval inside, the shiny and the pupil. Most of this is behind, but that's okay. And just like the other one, we're probably gonna make it a little thicker on the top here. And then from here, just make a line going up. Okay, that's that line. All right, let's continue on with this side. And that's the part right there. And then over here, we're gonna make this continue. And we're gonna make his nose. So it's gonna kind of go up pretty far and come down and stop. And this one's gonna come up. So you got his nose there, and inside of his nose, we want another one oval, and this oval is connected. Make this a little bit bigger. So this will be Sharpied in, just so you know. Okay, so we are now gonna give it its eyebrows. Super job. And make this back of the eyebrow come down like that. And this one, you're gonna make it go up over this one, and okay, so that's that upper part right there. So above it, we're gonna do its ear. So coming out of right here, it's gonna go up, over, and then make it come up. And this is gonna come down. There you go, one ear. So off this back end, I want you guys to keep it going. It's gonna come around. Keep it going. And down. Okay, that's that whole back side. We'll put the ear coming off here. So you wanna make this smooth. So it's just gonna come off like this. Make it go up roller coaster, down roller coaster, up roller coaster, and then bring it back around. This one's gonna go down and then up. That's his flopping ear. Okay. Make that connect. Now we want to erase in there because you see there's nothing in there. We're gonna erase that in there. Great job. This is gonna come down a little bit. Okay. I am very satisfied with Scooby so far. So Scooby, it's gonna come down like this and loop it up. So down, up, and then it's gonna have a smaller loop right there. Loop. And then on this one, it's gonna come off here, down, and then up. Great job. So fun fact we know. It was first pitched, so Scooby-Doo was first pitched as a haunted house show. And it was supposed to be for Saturday morning cartoons. And it originally was gonna be called Who's Scared? But CBS thought it was too frightening for kids. So they asked Silverman, who created Scooby-Doo, you need to go work on that. We're not satisfied with what you're pitching. So then he came back and he decided to add the leading character as Scooby-Doo, a dog, and to add more, to make it more funny. So then he pitched the Scooby-Doo show. Okay, I want you guys to come up here, do a line right here. Now, before he got the name, he was on a red-eye flight. And red-eye flight means it's like a midnight flight. There's the mouth. And then you're gonna make this side come down. And he was listening to Frank Sinatra. And Frank Sinatra came on, and his song that he was singing, he was saying, "Doobie doobie doo." That was what he was singing. And all of a sudden, boop, a light went on in his head, and he's like, "Scooby dooby doo." So thank you, Frank Sinatra. Okay, let's do his chin right here. If you don't know Frank Sinatra, he is a classic, awesome singer. So they went back with the Scooby-Doo pitch, and they loved it. Okay, so you're gonna come from up right here. Did I make this go out far enough? I don't think I did. Make this goo. Maybe a touch out. That's good enough. Okay, make this come down like this. Whoop. And then it's gonna come down. Whoosh. That's this front part. There you go. Probably not so much here. Looks good. All right, and Scoob, so it first came on air in 1969, and Scooby is a Great Dane, and his full name was Scoobert. I did not know that. Okay, we're gonna do his tongue. And then this is that part of it, and then make this come down. Excellent job. Now down here, he's got like three little freckly things. 1, 2, 3, they look like a triangle. And then 2 hairs going bloop, bloop. 2 hairs sticking out. And this is like his under chin. But that's too perfect. There we go. Excellent. Okay, what else do we know? It started as a Saturday morning cartoon and lasted 2 seasons and 25 episodes. So they thought, well, that was good. We will let it go. Okay, this is his collar right here. It's gonna go one side to the other, but then you wanna bring it over because now it's gonna come down. Excellent. Now we're gonna erase in there. Now, Scooby-Doo holds the record for the most episodes of a cartoon comedy series. And in 2004, it hit 350 episodes, and it's still going. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so now we're gonna do its collar right here. I think that's what we have to do left, yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you wanna make like a rounded ring. You see how I just made that rounded right there? Erase a little bit in there. Now, this is a diamond. So we're gonna do a diamond right here. And then the diamond, it loops in here. So this part we're gonna erase because it's gonna be behind it. And erase in there like that. Excellent, okay? So you're gonna make it go around. And then I put a line down the middle. And then on one side, I made the S, like this. And on this side is a D for Scooby-Doo. And then you can erase. We just want Sharpie in there, like that. Okay, it's time to get out the Sharpie. What else do we know about Scooby-Doo? Oh, I've got a joke. I think you guys want to hear a joke. Okay, hold on, let's get this going. Do you guys know what a procrastinator is? It's somebody that just kind of puts off what they could do today and say, meh, I'll do it another day. So this is the joke. Scooby-Doo is a procrastinator. I've never heard him say Scooby-Doo be done. Haha. So funny. Okay, we're gonna come up here. Growing up, Saturday mornings, we could watch cartoons. Oops, I kind of messed that up. Before 9 o'clock. Chore time was from 9 to 12. And you got up at, before then, early as you want, to watch cartoons until 9 and the TV comes off. And we would watch Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? Got somewhere to go now. Scooby-Doo-Doo. I remember the weirdest things. The weirdest commercials. Do I remember school facts? Nope. But I remember Scooby-Doo commercial. The opening song. Silly. Okay, we're gonna Sharpie in here. You wanna fill that in. Excellent. Okay, super job. Yeah, I think we've learned everything about Scooby-Doo. You guys are doing an amazing job, I'm sure. Do a circle in there. What's your favorite cartoon? Mine growing up was Gummy Bears. It's about these bears that would live underground. Gummy bears, gummy bears. And they would like have all these tunnels underground and they were hiding from a bad guy. And they could go through secret passages. I just thought that was so cool. Whoops, kind of messed up on that one. That's okay. Hair, bloop, bloop. Excellent. All right, so what I like doing is I like going around the outside. The double line, it just gives it a finished look. Oh, I colored in his eyebrows. Let's color those in. Yes, yes, please. We don't have to worry about that later. Okay, those are colored in. Go around the nose. Excellent. Look, we're almost there, guys. Okay. The only thing I'm going to be coloring in today to teach you is the nose and the mouth. Everything else I think you could figure out yourself. So what we did for the nose, to get that shiny look, I want you to make a big circle right here. And as you come in, you're going to get lighter and lighter till it's almost like nothing. And then when you come out, you're going to get darker and darker till on the outside it's going to be really dark. And as you come in, you get lighter. And that gives it that shiny look, but it's a gradual shiny. See if we can get that look. Does it look like that? I might have to erase some more on the inside. I might have taken too much out. So then it's a little lighter in there and then darker on the outside. And then for the red right here, to make it blend, make it gray, like dark right here, dark along the bottom, and then we're gonna put red in there. But at least we're gonna have like a shadow so it looks like it blends. So we're gonna blend that a little better. And then we're gonna go in with our red. Darker, push harder around the edges, and then as you get in, get a little lighter. But then that's how I got the mouth. And I might do the eyes, but I think the rest you probably can figure out by yourself, because it took me a while to color that. Don't forget to erase anything that you want erased. The pencil lines, which I can see, I'm looking at mine. I definitely need to erase some pencil lines. And let's say the eyes, I just did a regular brown and yellow. So take a regular brown, you're gonna go darker, go all the way around the outside dark, ring around the outside, and then darker at the top, come in, get lighter. Same thing over here, get lighter, and then come in with our yellow, and this is really gonna just make it pop out. That looks fantastic. All right, I want you guys to go in and finish coloring this guy. And if you want, what I did is I used a lot of colors, man. I used dark brown, light brown, tan, yellow. You just have to keep working it till you get it right colors you want. So those are the colors I used. Hope you guys have a doggone great day. Woof! See ya. Scooby-doo.